You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I tried to find on you, so I heard it, so I do that.
Oh.
So I did it. So I'm here by you, so I'm here by.
You hurt your head?
And there. And there.
Where? You were trying to climb up this, and it fell down on you?
Yeah. This fell down on me. This fell down on me.
What did you do? You just escape and hide in here while it was falling down?
Mhm.
You did?
Mhm.
Okay. But you're not gonna do it again, are you?
No.
Okay.
So we can't pick this up too heavy for you. Mom can pick it up, okay?
Oh, is it too heavy for me? Mommy can pick it up?
Yeah. Mommy, go.
but you okay, right? You didn't hurt
Yeah.
yourself. Okay. I don't know what mommy is gonna think about this when she gets home.
Hold this. Please.
Okay. Say I love you.
I love you.
I love you too. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.